I'm here at an Aberdeen Ironbirds game, so I got to try out their Ironbirds Punch. It's the Blue Ironbird. I think the base is Bacardi rum. We're going to compare that to a Natty Bo, the classic. Let's start with the Natty. Can't go wrong with the Natty Bo. This looks like it'll be a little sweet, but I'll try it, get a little taste, let you know what I think.
Up next, third baseman number 10, Nick Vidison.
Ooh. It is quite sweet. This would be great if it's really hot because there's so much ice. Right, I'm gonna try to polish it, but that brain freeze is intense. There it is. You know, that's pretty good. If it was really hot, I think I'd give it to the bucket. But for, you know, it's about 8 p.m. I think I kind of enjoyed the Natty Bo more. Next time you're at an Ironbirds game, you really can't go wrong with either of them.